So this is some pretty old footage, but I promise if you watch this video, you'll be able to paint this adorable bunny. So pause here if you need, check out this layout. I did 2 coats of my white paint pen, and then I lined everything with an extra fine tip gray just to give it a little bit of an edge. I didn't want it to be a completely harsh black outline, but I did want to kind of crisp everything up a little bit. So you will want to create a line along the bottom part of the head to disconnect the head from the body, but I did not put gray at the bottom of the ears, as you can see there. Now start by doing a straight line down the center of the ear and build that line out. That's a lot easier than trying to trace the outline of what you're going to color in. So a simple line straight down and then make it a little bit wider at the top and repeat on the other ear. Now we're going to put a nose right in the middle. Again, you can start smaller. You can always make it bigger. So if you're not sure how big you want to make it, start small. You can add more to it. We're also going to add a couple little pink dots where our whiskers are going to be coming out for little pink cheeks on either side of our nose. Now I do the eyes upside down. It's easier for me, and I'm also going to do the mouth upside down. So just create almost like a bird. And then for our eyes, we're going to create little U shapes. And I like to have it kind of aimed towards the tip of the nose. And then we're going to add a few little eyelashes off to the side on each side. And again, right here, I'm using an extra fine tip paint pen. The last thing you need to do is add on whiskers. So go back to that gray paint pen that you had and make sure your pink is dry before you do this. And you're just going to start at the pink dot and kind of pull and lift up kind of as you pull away on either side. He's super adorable. Here it is, nice and crisp and cleaned up for you. I hope you have fun painting these bunnies. Check out this rock painting tutorial.